Welcome to this episode of Mommy SeaStar. Today we're going to do another acrylic pour painting, and today I'm craving color. This is going to be a really colorful, vibrant painting. I've got all my paint in a cup and we're ready to go. I'm going to put my canvas over it and I'm going to dump it out. So it's all going to happen very quickly, so I'm going to put this in slow motion. You ready to see this?
Yeah.
All right. Set.
Go.
Go. Okay. That was so cool. What's it gonna do now?
It's gonna look like this.
Don't lift it yet. Let it smooth out on its own. I see. Oh, wait! Don't touch it. Let's watch. Let's watch and observe. Where is the red? I know there's red in here. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool.
Here.
That's red on your barn, yeah.
What in
There's
here?
red on your
That's
barn.
what in here.
Oh my goodness, I don't want to mess with this too much. I want to see what happens.
The one.
I see some red coming out. Some little red spots. Do you see it? And I see some What do you see in here?
Blue.
Blue? Lots of blue swirling around here and the white. Ooh, it's so beautiful. I don't want to overmix the paint.
Dark blue.
I see dark blue here. And I see
Blue.
I see yellow. That's a nice yellow mixing in with the blue right there. It looks like the red is all underneath. What if I just... Ooh, I don't want to mess it up because I love the patterns that it's getting. I absolutely love it. I think what I'll try to do is I'll try to put some white around it and maybe I can get it to go out this way. What do you think? Is that a good idea?
Yeah, Mom.
Do you think I should lift it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like which way? This way or this way? Which way?
This way.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'll blow on it. Ooh, the red's coming out. The red is coming out.
The blue coming out.
And blue is coming out. I think we have to put the white around the edge still. When I started doing these pour paintings, I did it because I thought they would be easy. They're not that easy because they take a lot of experimentation and you can mix a lot of different things in them. You have to make a lot of choices. Like for example here, I have to decide, do I want to leave it just like this when it's so beautiful, or do I want to try to spread it out a little bit? So you got to be able to take chances. It takes courage. As Matisse says, creativity takes courage. Can you repeat after me? Whoops. Creativity takes... Creativity takes courage. Can you say that, buddy?
Clicks.
Creativity
Creativity.
takes courage.
Clicks.
Courage. That means being brave. Being brave. You have to be brave. Creativity takes courage. So I'm gonna be brave and I'm gonna put a little more white around the edge of this and see if I can get it to go a little farther. Alright. Creativity takes what? much.
Acrylic.
Yes. If I go like this, I wonder if it will come out a little bit. Ooh, this is cool. If I go like this.
I'm in here.
Look at that. Ooh. Hey, look, buddy. Look at this.
Down.
Do you like that?
That's yucky.
Yucky. You don't like it? I like it. So I'm going to do it.
I don't like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
I like it.
I don't
I'm
like
having
it.
fun. Because it's making little circles now when I go like this. See, I didn't know it was going to do that, but I tried it, and look what it's doing. How interesting. Now I got some greenish. I'm going to use that. You need some white?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go like this. Well, we're gonna finish your red barn here, but first I gotta finish this one because this is really cool.
I'm also daddy in my bone.
That's gonna be a good idea.
Also daddy in my bone.
All right, you will like to see that. Wow, look at the little circles and scaly shapes. Kind of looks like a lizard. Do you see how that looks kind of like a lizard? It's a very natural process.
It's a lizard.
Mm-hmm.
A lizard!
Instead of painting pictures of nature, we're painting pictures with nature because we're using the natural process of what the paint does, and we allow it to be itself. Look at how awesome that is. See, I didn't know it was gonna do that. Gotta go with it. Literally, go with the flow here with the flowing paint. Oh, that's a good brand name. Go with the flow, but with like paint pouring. Huh. Always thinking of these funny brand names for stuff. Somebody give me a job in marketing. Look at that. Wow. I should hire myself. Okay. Look at how cool that is. Oh my goodness. That is just so beautifully awesome. Let me show you that up close. This painting is looking really cool, so I'm gonna let it dry in the sun now. This painting gave me a pleasant surprise because when I put it in the sun, it was mostly blue and white, and I liked the patterns on top, but I was sad that the red wasn't showing through very much. But when I put it in the sun baked it, and the top layer started to shrink and dry and crack, and the red from underneath showed up. Look at what a nice surprise that red is. This is a colorful picture after all. I'm calling this lava and ice abstract because it looks like ice that has lava coming up out of it and melting it. It's super cool. I really like it. I love this kind of painting because you never know what's going to